Guys, look how beautiful the pool is. So yeah, look at that. We're outside with the coal stove. Guys, look on the finishing product.
Oh, Caribbean. Oh, that's sweet.
Man. Ooh, who's jealous? We just want some onion and pepper and some vinegar right now.
The sound.
Guys, the fish ready.
The nuggets.
So good.
From so this one just Miss Grace? Okay.
We are on this beautiful property in Prospect.
Yeah.
They're having a party here today, and oh my god, we're actually invited to this party. But they also ask us to, they also purchase a lot of refreshments from us, so we're just here delivering the refreshments. Party's later, we're delivering now. You want your drop on the grass?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, it is so beautiful down here, guys. Where's it called, Cerulean?
It's in Blue Mo, St. Thomas. It's like in Prospect. And it's like, no, this is not Blue Mo College, but it's in Blue Mo.
The
thing is in Blue Mo in general.
Yeah, show the beach.
And that's the beach and the boat dock.
Beach! Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! So calm and peaceful. I have to show you guys the sea.
And that's a point. They set up a thing that you could swim out to it.
Yeah.
You could swim out to it and stuff.
Wow. I used to come down here. I used to come down here as a kid when I was, grew up in St. Thomas. I used to come down here, like on the weekends. Look at that, how calm that is. Oh my gosh. Or let's take out the ice then. Or I'll take out the ice and the drinks now. Yeah. How beautiful the place looks already. They're strong oral. Guys, look how beautiful the pool is. Nobody's in the pool right now, but it's just, and look at this amazing view. Oh my gosh. Pool look deep. Lord. Look at this beautiful view. It's like a delivery truck down there. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, you can actually walk out. You can actually walk out here. Wow, guys. This makes me want to spend all my days here. Want to spend all my days here. Look at me swinging right over the water. Ah! Such an amazing view. The peace and tranquility here is unmatched. You can swim out to that little island. Wow. It's If you guys listen carefully, you could hear the water. We were gonna go to White Horses, so we have to balance the time.
Can you drop me off with my grandmother?
Yeah, whenever we're, yeah, sure. And if we can't catch that jelly there, I wonder, look already. Guys, this is such a beautiful complex. I'm gonna check the name again because I forgot the name. Oh, but it's so beautiful. Wonder if I could spend a month here just chilling, just relaxing. Because it's so amazing. Just feels peaceful, no stress. No wonder Jamaicans are not as stressed. Well, I don't think Jamaicans are stressed at all. No wonder they're so non-stress. Because this place is so peaceful. All right. Is there a small gate I can go through? Oh, it's not closed. Okay. I got it. Thank you so much. Here we go. Cerulean Bay. Cerulean Bay. That's the name. To come all the way back to the front to get you guys the name. Cerulean Bay. It's beautiful. Beautiful complex. Filled with coconut tree. All right. I wanted to see the name for the flight. Oh my God, everywhere I go, coconut tree. I'm so tempted to just jump up and pick one. But then I would need a machete, right? To chop the coconut. Ah, guys. They're doing construction over there too. Wow. Anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have about 3 or 4 generations that is connected to this Valley Grade. But we have someone special all the way from, well, one moment she's on the West Coast, one moment she's on the East Coast. But I think she's back on the East Coast, so Sydney is here. Yeah, to say something special to her mom. Happy birthday once again, Valerie. Here you go, young lady.
Hi, everyone.
I'm in Yallis Bay. I'm gonna get some soup. Yallis Bay, right? Juicy beef patty. It's Sunday, so most places are closed. The juicy patty place is closed. Lucky me. The streets are not that busy because it's Sunday. So I'm getting some soup. Hello.
Yeah, them.
Cow skin soup. Goat head.
You can't say hello to.
So these are the soup of them. Cow skin, goat head, and crayfish. Alright, let me see I want the cow skin one. Show me the sizes, please.
You probably can't drink water past
16 ounce.
16 ounce? Alright, give me the 12 ounce.
You sure that look up that soup?
Yeah. Oh,
Look at that soup.
that looks, wait. Give me the 16 ounce. Guys, look at the soup. I don't want no dumpling, okay? No dumpling. Yeah, man, and the soup looks so good.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave him now. I'll take the cow skin in there. Soup is so looking so good. Thank you. Alright.
A crayfish in there.
Tell us that crayfish boat and everything.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
And the same spoon gonna do all of them? And the same spoon, right? Okay, thank God, because I was just gonna say I can't even eat that. The crayfish one, right?
Can't take up too much space.
Come, goodness, should I get
Alright, no, go
the goated soup more popular down here. Excuse me, you don't have no butter and something in this one? It's like total like vegan, just veggies and the crayfish?
Just crayfish and coconut milk.
No butter, no milk. Okay. Alright. So I'll take one of those.
Call oil there.
Let me see the 8 ounce again.
Give me like that.
Alright, give him one of the crayfish, right? Crayfish. Thank you. Soup looks so good. No matter what, I'll just get in this. Why the man them laugh after? Oh, the camera! Oh my gosh! I didn't even notice. Yeah, I was trying to not do his face too much.
Yeah.
To just do the soup. But okay, if you're okay with that, right? Yeah. So you probably should tell us about your soup spot. Is there a special name? James what? James Soup Spot?
Yeah.
Okay, so James are cleaning and nice. Clean before and clean after. Very nice.
We're finding it.
Tell us where you are.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, he has a lisp. He's so cute. Ah! He has a lisp and he's blushing right now. See, I have one next customer. You not even see him next customer because he's like blushing so badly. Aw, it's okay. Dave, did you say? GM, sorry. GM Soup Spot. Everything looks legit. So right in Yallis Bay, St. Thomas, James Soup Spot is the spot to be. Right across from Lucky Side Wholesale Supermarket. Honestly, I didn't taste it yet, but when I taste it, I got to tell you what I think. So I hope it's good, James. He said it's great. Yeah, I'll give you our channel. He said the soup is great, so I'll keep my fingers crossed for that. All right, ready to pay the bill. You don't want the soup again? Huh? How much fee? You say you can come. You be the key original, but soup and thing can come. Ah, I see. The Denton family. The Denton family. Denton. Yeah. Thank you so much for the soup. I'm gonna keep my soup separate because I don't want to mix mine with the crayfish business. Is that maybe I should put you guys on too. What are you doing here? Oh, in the Fred camera. Okay. So you guys all cook together? Okay, that's nice. That's nice. The Denton family. Denton. Denton. Yeah. So you guys are here every day?
Every day, 7 days a week.
Nice, nice. All right. Well, thanks for the soup. You find the channel?
Enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
Yo, see I
You
know.
find it? Soon. I'm definitely gonna post this. You find it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
See it?
Oh shit, you find it. Alright, subscribe.
Alright.
Thank you. Renee, you have your soup? So this little one, right? My little nephew that I think he's grown had so much to drink last night. I know he had him red like hell. So the soup will revive him a bit, I guess. She got them just laid up on the pizza side. I hope they're not hungry. Yeah, so I got the cow foot soup. Renil got cow foot mixed with manish water. Go ahead. And we got the crawfish soup for oral. Even though he said he don't want no soup, it still got him the crawfish soup because he didn't eat either. And it was, right. So this is the guy who brought us to the soup man. Hello. So he wants to make sure what you might go left his cigarette.
Below that, pork we sell.
You sell pork?
Yes, and buy. If you don't like it, don't buy it.
So what about this?
Come on here, last just check in. Come look for it now. I ain't see it, man. Come look now. Yes, and buy. Come look. Come on, what
you brought me to the soup already. Ready? We don't want it. Your rod. Take up your rod. Soup man, take up your rod. So you will sell this, but you just bring without a soup spot. Okay.
No bad man.
We never really want them pork stick, but I guess we need to. It's true. Right, taste some bangs if you don't want Well, I guess you have confidence in your product because you say if you don't like it, don't buy it.
If you don't like it, don't buy it.
I hear that.
How many people? Come on.
Love your friend. My deal, you think.
Really?
Really, you know?
Alright.
Remember, me care about soup spot, you know. If you never confident, you know what me I do, me not treat you.
That's true.
Me not gonna treat
I like that. Ready? All the pork taste so far. Tastes good?
See.
Tell me what it tastes so far.
Alright, let me taste it. This have too much meat for me.
Too much?
Too meaty, I like the other part.
Skin and bone?
Everything.
Very tasty. The only problem I have is that it's not hot. But it's good tasty.
Keep your butter if you want to get that.
Oh, you want it spicy? What does it mean? Oh.
No, I mean
The
warm,
temperature.
warm enough.
Yeah.
But it's good. I know, you're right. You're right. But it's good. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
$1,000 worth this?
Yeah.
How the backside? That a little bit there?
When I'm a gangster friend. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Me a gangster now.
Look on the scale. Come on, Asana.
You know exactly. Wow.
Half pound and $1,400, but you see for me come, me take a vice sweet.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to the real spot, and I'm going to buy a fuck up soup.
And you never introduced me to no pork initially, so that's good.
No, you tell me the pork and
Okay.
At the end of the day, when you buy the right soup, that's somewhere I want to sell them some fuck up soup. Bacon style.
Me dey plan to stop now, because when them say pork,
Yeah,
but me not roll so.
that's good.
Yeah, man.
Thank
Now
you. So
one
where your
and a
pork
half,
spot
man.
name?
Me Harvey, man.
Harvey?
Right, that's someone I'm a restaurant.
right, I come from the late.
Restaurant not home to them. Alright, Harvey, thank you. We appreciate it. Guys, so we get a taste of pork. Renee will buy some pork. The pork tastes good. It tastes even better with the pepper, to be honest with you. Tastes really good. So we're getting back in the car, where I'm gonna try that soup and tell you guys how it tastes, as promised. Guys, look how them full up the
Oh yeah?
look how them full up the cup. Jesus. Okay.
This is a bit bashy, you know. Big time. This is a good place.
Soup is good. It's rich.
It's
I'm gonna check if I find a cow skin in it. What? Look at this. Box guy.
That's basically leather.
Cow skin soup or else yeah, leather.
Yeah, man. You're literally eating like a shoe.
Well, the inside's supposed to get rubbery now.
Eating like a shoe.
What name again? Renil James? Yeah, man.
That's a,
James, if you're watching,
yes, this is the chef.
James is the chef. 10 out of 10 for the soup, alright? I like it. I like it, and when I come back to Jamaica, I stop again. So look for me and tell me, okay? That part of what? That part of what? Cow skin and what?
Yeah, coconut milk in this.
Yeah? Which part? Which part is right now?
That's under, that's a gelatin like under.
That's underneath the skin? Oh, I guess the part
Some
of
meat is under the skin.
the inside part of the under the skin. Oh, so this would be the flesh part, Lord. Good. Very good. I like when my soup is hot. This is hot, James. Not too hot, but just right. It's not spicy, but it has just the right amount of salt. Very tasty. Good job, James and friends. I remember your other two guys.
That's the name of the restaurant?
No, it's called James. It's just a James soup spot. But there were two other guys. Shout out to you, two other guys that was hanging out there. Part of the family business. All right. I know you will be watching. Soup good. Let me ask my husband and my nephew how are their soup. How is the crawfish soup that you didn't want?
It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
It's too hot for him. I like it very hot. Even I like it hot. He said too hot.
Right now, if we have a dog all town, I recommend if I don't drink.
Let me see your soup. Wait. All right, Renil, tell me how is your soup and how's the soup?
Not a big fan of soup and all, but soup's good.
Yeah? 8 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 6, 5.
Can lean over to 11.
Oh, wow, James, you hear that? Wow, guys, listen, the soup is really, really good.
It's foreign crawfish in the soup.
Okay,
This
Aura.
is that local crawfish, okay? So this take away points.
Oh, no.
So foreign
Oral
crawfish.
is taking away how many points? 1?
No, it's like 3-4 points. For the foreign.
All right, so Renil, the soup good? What about the pork?
Yeah, the pork.
In your opinion, it was good?
The pork was good. Soft and, you know?
Yeah. And guys, I ate a piece of this breadfruit already, but may I eat piece more on camera for now. And this breadfruit is so fresh and nice. I like when my breadfruit is roasted. Guys, we are outside frying some fish. My chef nephew is frying some good old fried fish, okay? So I'm gonna show you what he has in the pot right here. It's dark out, look. Dark, I'm literally using a light. Look what kind of light I use. Can you see? So yeah, look at that. We're outside with the coal stove. Like the fire too ice, so Rennie will just put it on like, I don't know, ice it up a little bit. Look at the fish. We are outside, barefooted. My foot looks like it's swollen though. And the chef is like in the outdoor kitchen.
Can I say that is space there? Can I do that, bro?
Huh?
I don't see place rock here. I take, I don't, no money to do that for that.
What do I?
Yes, it can be a nice spot or something, man.
Yeah, man.
So if you have to send a resort, you know, put you and get to the office.
You know, that used to be the outdoor kitchen.
Really?
That used to be our kitchen.
Oh, shoot. Oral said right there used to be the outdoor kitchen, like literally where that table is, babe? Which part?
Eh?
Oh, with the concrete there. Oh, like that was the base of the outdoor kitchen back in the days. Right here, guys. And the coal, look on the coal. All right, let me show you the coal. I don't want Rennie to mess up your hands. I'm show you. So this is called coal. Oh Lord, my hand that's no. This is called coal. So this is what Rennie puts in this. What is this? Like a rim. Oh, that's like a tire, right? This is like a rim from a tire. And then put the coal in the rim. Rim get the flavor. And put the coal in the rim and then use wait, oh you like this now? We used to use cursing oil. They use cursing oil?
You can like it just about anything now, you know.
So I don't know I like it, but I used to use cursing oil and matches. Maybe I asked for lighter. So I probably use some kind of plastic I heard him asking for. And this is the coal. Just one piece I take out. So this is made by using wood. You burn like you cut down trees. Like you cut down trees, you have to dry it, right? Cut down trees. No? You burn it green. Oh shit, Rennie, yeah, I'm something wrong too.
Dry. Like
Dry. Oh no.
You're not dry.
So you cut down the trees, guys. Cut down some tree in the woodland. And then like you pack it up. You pack up the wood. And then
like a bonfire. So like
you make like a big bonfire.
Or you put dirt and cover
with dirt. So the wood is burned down.
steam. Just like a steam.
Like the wood steam. So it this is the end product, right? This is the end product of the wood when it done burn and steam or whatever after a few days. I used to like the smell of that shit. I used to really like the smell. They used to make a lot around like in the backyard next door, and I used to really like the smell when it's burning. But a long time I didn't see this. But sometimes you don't like to cook sometimes you don't like cook the fish inside because it's smelly. Them do not burn it, Rennie. Because it's so smelly, so people have gas stove outside too, but it's more likely that they might make a wood fire or they might go use the coal like Rennie will do now. So yeah, let me see if we can get a good picture of the coal. Like the whole bag. See there? I know grandma wants 2 phones too like everybody else. So that's the coal, guys. I'm telling you how it make already. And what else? This called crocus bag, right? So the coal come in a crocus bag. Rennie will buy a half a crocus bag of coal. So yeah, that's it. And I'm looking forward to eating this fish because it looks so damn good. So good. So good. Whoa, look on that blazing.
Natural, you know? Only yardman can do that.
Only yardman can.
Golden brown.
Oh my god, it's golden brown, the chef say. Looking good. Yes. There's no mango on the tree right now. Mango tree right there, so ackee tree up there, so. Right at the backyard, but no mango on the tree right now. So this tree, when the tree I dropped down? In a Gilbert? I just cut down the tree?
That's how it grow.
No man, we thought the mango tree right there, so cause it lean. That's what me they say for Gilbert. Gilbert was like, yeah, me too. I was a child. Ivan, okay, yeah, I wasn't here for those. So, okay, see how this tree? Gilbert? We got white horses on Gilbert. I'm out and I look through the door. We slightly open the door.
It was a couple of years old.
Oh, when I tell me, say, I remember Gilbert like the back of my hand. Okay?
Gilbert, 86 and a half.
Okay. Me not care when Gilbert was, me I tell us I remember it like the back of my hand. If Gilbert's at 86, that means me don't want to date myself. 89? If it's 88, I think at 88 at Gilbert. Google it. I think at 88 at Gilbert, but I'm gonna remember it carefully. Like I saw the me see the wait name? Lord God. Me see the jelly tree. The jelly tree that me had, me see it drop down. One fall cube in the back of we had, and me see the fall cube like a blow down. We had to leave. We live at White Horses and we have to leave White Horses and go down to the schoolyard because then Fred the roof blow off. Cause the back room we had the roof blow off, and then Fred the rest of the roof blow off. So we had to go to the schoolyard back then. See down where we have the store now? Around this side of the church. Our school used to right there on there. I think that's where we have to go. So remember Gilbert. Guys, shout me out if you remember Gilbert. Like if you're from Jamaica and you remember when Gilbert was, shout me out and tell me your experience. Tell me your oh, may I take out the light from Rennie. Hold on. Guys, look on the finishing product.
Oh, Caribbean. Oh, that's sweet here.
Man. Ooh, who's jealous? We just want some onion and pepper and some vinegar right now. Oh, we're good to go. Look on the color, man. Brown. Light brown, light yellow, crispy. Oh gosh, I could just eat all this fish right now. Thanks, Renee.
What's your deal? The sound.
Guys, the fish ready.
And what else? What else you got to talk
I had
about
some
again?
rice too and a little bit of oxtail. Move. The dog loved me, you see, man, and just underneath my tail. So, anyways, let me try the fish.
The nuggets.
So good.
From Gibo?
It's really good, man.
Yeah, but it's cheaper than the one that you bought before. The one that we have now is more expensive.
I think I was born for this kind of lifestyle.
No, but I'm saying the one that you bought before was more expensive.
Eat fish out the door in a nice time.
Yes.
So we can't get it from them then.
It's a 1 pound per
When
bag.
you
So you're basically paying a bag per pound.
How much you buy? 1 pound a bag?
1 pound at the back for $760.
No, but I want a bigger one.
I'm currently my
You
chef.
said I want about 2.5 pound.
Hey.
Pound for how much? For $1,400.
No, I think I
How much you want on it's a Glastonbury ice and ice and so how much is it in Glastonbury? Look at this.
Leave it alone. Move.
Yeah. Alright, let me see. Yeah, no, I see it. So this is Gibbo. But I see one that's we have for 420 in stock, the francs. This is the same francs we have now.
Great fun.
So this one just means Grace?
Yeah, that's the one we said is Grace.
Okay.
That's all.
I saw some bone.
Okay.
The one in the
So 24 pieces of it, 24 pieces. Okay. So when
I better be careful when you eat the fire fish, you know.
So them said 24 pieces for
Because the bone just come short.
$320 something.
I'm saying you're not Jamaican.
So
What?
324 for 323.
I spent most of my life in Jamaica.
323. You don't spend most of your life.
Yeah, I must say that. We live 2004.
Wishful
It's
thinking.
$13. So it's cheaper than it's cheaper. It's $13 the one.
Hmm?
It's cheaper than the other one.
How much is 13 now?
Yeah.
Grace?
Yeah. So it's 24
And Grace from tell me.
24 for 323.
Perfection.
You see that?
Rennie like who teach you to cook?
Yeah. So,
I'm mother?
Yeah, madam.
right.
Shout
So
out
the
to
bulk,
Rennie's
so the bulk
mother,
is
you know.
cheaper. So the bulk is cheaper.
This fish is properly seasoned. Not too salt. Nice and crispy on the outside and just
You want to, you can buy some
Yeah,
6
but
pack.
what are the bulk you need?
good on the inside.
You have some from the 6 pack, you know. So you just sell them as is.
So
Guys,
there's
thanks for watching this little nighttime video. We're gonna have a glass of wine now and just chill. I'm showing the Rennie like eat. You said no, cause you not eat nice. Look. You said no, but me should have show him. You can see him.
You have to like the other way.
This way?
yeah, because the box
Is it Rennie? Rennie like eat oxtail and shrimp at the same time. Or I'll conduct business, lad. Or I'll go eat and left the business alone.
I was saying that the but
Alright.
I don't let me see Grace. Let me see if I see the Grace.
Anyways, thanks for your watch. And Mega eat my fish head. Like, you guys eat the fish head? Let me can't show the fish head.
Light camera action.
I want lights. We have on Rennie La ball for the lights, so I'm gone. Good night, people.
Caribbean choice, it's not Grace. It's Caribbean choice. Bulk.